Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now let's take a look at the gold market. As you can see, the gold market recently has shown a bit different action compared to the forex markets, to the euro currency in particular, because as currencies has shown the really significant explosive actions to the upside, the gold mostly stands flat and even shows some decreasing to the downside. And today's comments from the Reuters News and investors analysis tell that in fact gold market participants, institutional investors, thought that the Fed comments was a bit more hawkish than they have expected, because the Fed just slightly has changed the speech, the text of the former statement, and that's why they have expected that these comments will be a bit more dovish. But as they did not, so that was treated as the bit hawkish comments. That's why the gold market recently has shown flat. This action is not very encouraging from the perspective of the upward continuation, but still we think that the background of the current situation, the foundation of this upward action in general could let market to move slightly higher. Previously in the whole within the week, we in every update spoken on that this upward action is a bit curious because it has no foundation and support from the real money on the investors. The CFTC report shows that no new speculative long position have been opened to support this upward action. That's why this put the shadow on the perspective with this upward action. But taking into consideration recent Fed comments, I don't know what we will get on the non-farm payrolls release. But if it will also be a bit poor as the gross domestic product, this could bring some short-term support for the gold market. And right now, we probably should keep an eye on the possible butterfly pattern that is forming. This could be formed here as the short-term target. So take a look that the target of this butterfly, 127, will be approximately 1235. It stands very close to 1244, the fib resistance. Also, that will be the daily rebut. But if we'll take into consideration possible this ABCD pattern, A, B, C bottom, D pattern, so you can see that the target right now stands from the opposite side of these fib levels, but still very close to it. Just $5-6 per contract is different with this fib level, and it coincides with the 1618 extension of this butterfly. So somewhere in this area, we probably would think that this could be the target of the short-term action, if it will continue. Conversely, the failure point of this pattern is this low. Until market stands inside of this swing, the butterfly will be valid on this daily chart. It means that to take the long position, we preferably need to as lowest level as possible, closer to these lows. That will just let us to take the minimal stop order. And if we will become wrong, we will not lose big money. So that's why we need to take the position as closer to these lows as possible, because this is the validation point of this butterfly. That's the short-term trading plan on the gold market. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that market in fact hasn't shown really big action yesterday, but still it stands above this trend line that has been broken yesterday. As you can see, it mostly was retracement after action that we have got on the gross domestic product release. So major action has happened on the data release, but not on the Fed action, not on the Fed speech. Now, if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, we see this progress. So we have this ABCD pattern. The action really looks like the retracement, very choppy, overlapping candles, no acceleration to the downside, very flat. So it's typical action for the retracement, and that's good. This action creates the agreement. So you can see the 1618 extension of this A, B, C top pattern, right, with the confidence support 1197, 1199, again around the same 12 even area. We can, of course, we could suggest that market could proceed to the 1190. In general, this could happen because gold market likes to show the deep retracement. But right now, market is not at the overbought, and maybe this retracement will be sufficient because this is a bit stronger support. Because if market will pass through this support, it's not really big chances that it will stand and will keep above this support, because that support is much stronger. So you can see the confidence with the agreement is a really significant area. So let's first keep watching on this level and see what will happen here. Maybe we'll get on the hourly chart some pattern that will point on this, on the reversal around this area. So the tactics that we will follow is the same. Since this is the really strong support here on the hourly chart, it means that the first touch market probably will respect this area with some bounce. So the tactics we will apply the same as usual. So taking the position, when the market will show the bounce, move the stop to the break-even. If market will fail, continue move to the next level. We will be watching what to do on the next level. If market will turn to the upside right from this area, well, that will be just great. So that's what we will be watching on the gold market right now. So currently, it's probably two factors that could impact the market significantly: is the non-farm payrolls release and the turmoil around the Greek debt. So that's two major points right now. If of course we will not get something more surprising than geopolicy or something of that sort. But currently, among the factors that we know right now, that's two major ones. So that's all that we could say right now on the gold market. Let's keep watching, and first of all, let's watching on over the 12 even area, because that's the first area that is suitable for possible taking the long position.